TV.
Ogai ma dunbura mar ODM nyadichiel kendo nyonore mana kod jiwo piny owacho mondo los sekta mar thieth masani midhiero mar kuma mar thieth mar shao kwako. Odinga olorore Kisii kod Narok e telo mogik mar somo paro kuom oganda mag jokanyo mag ODM. Otimo lalruok makamagi motelo ne chiwo lendo ewi okang' mobiro kawo mar siasa. Walter Nyambaga nigi mathoth.
Bang' luorore yo nyandwat mar piny Kenya, Ogai mar ODM Raila Odinga othinyore e kaunti ma Kisii to kod Narok mar bilo wach kod joera mage mag chama mar ODM. Odinga obedo kod romo moyiedhi kod jokanyo mag ODM mawuok Nyamira kod Kisii e kar tiegruok mar jopuonjre mag pur e boma maduong' ma Kisii. Romo mane okawo seche 6 e kendo bang'e to opedhe lela weche momul motegno.
This, as I mentioned, is just part of a consultation with the people of the ground at the way forward in our country. The leadership here have expressed their concerns about many things that are affecting the Kenyan people. They've talked about this health care system, this SHA, which is having serious challenges as things stand today.
Odinga okone kato bene Kenya kalia mateka raidhi dero kamano. Ojiwo oganda kod riwruoge mondo bi kanyakla e manyo duoko mag midhiero mokwako Kenya.
I have said that I'm going to say which way we want to go, but generally our country has reached this place because of lack of proper attention to critical issues. And the issue of pilferage is also a major contributory factor. The animal called corruption in service delivery is itself very responsible for lack of efficient services in the country.
It's important to note that Baba is in the entourage of making sure he has gotten views of the Kenyans, what we call a consultative meeting in the country. And he has done it. He sampled out number of, he may not go to all the 47 counties, but he has sampled few, and those views will inform him going forward how we are going to engage with the national government, as it were.
Romo makamano bende Odinga telie county Narok odwaro ni mondo chwalo omenda moromo ne 10 county mar siro loch gwenge.
They've also talked about inadequate funding coming to the counties, which is again a national issue. But the MCAs here have talked about reduction in allocation of funding to county assemblies. They have given me their views. They have talked very candidly and very frankly about issues that are affecting them as a people.
Raila okone sirikal bende okaw ting' mar rach mar kethruok mar arita kwe moseneno Transmara to kod Kisii.
Some clashes along the border between Kisii County and Narok County. The situation is very tense as things stand today. I've talked to the people who are in charge of security to mobilize security to ensure that no further loss of life is caused to bring peace among the communities who live along the border.
Odinga bende bago romo kod jotelo mag ODM e kaunti ma Nairobi kapok piny oro. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.
Jokanyo mag bunge la